Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo. And this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the little details, puts you in the center of the action, it sounds just like the real world, and transports you to faraway lands. Go inside the story with breakthrough sound. Dolby Atmos.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary again? Sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic. What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater, whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension, How does that sound?
Dolby Atmos is a breakthrough new sound experience that makes it easier than ever before to get amazing sound. It's a major advance from stereo and even surround sound. In stereo, streams of sound are delivered through 2 channels. Surround sound enhanced audio by creating 5 or 7 channels. It's a much richer experience, but the limitations of channels still remain. Dolby Atmos revolutionizes audio by freeing sound from channels. As a result, it can create a complete atmosphere of sound all around you, even overhead. It also enables much finer control over individual sounds, which can be precisely placed and moved in 3-dimensional space. Each sound can be made louder or quieter, more diffused or more focused, bigger or smaller. So every part of the audio comes to life with its own unique personality and moves around you the way that it does in the real world. Dolby Atmos adapts this premier sound experience from the cinema to other environments, like a home theater system, or a simple soundbar in the living room, or even mobile devices with a set of ordinary earbuds, making the sound as precise and immersive as your listening setup allows. We call it moving audio, as the sound flowing around you makes you feel like you're truly inside the action. And that heightens the impact of your entertainment. Look for Dolby Atmos in movies, TV shows, games, music, and virtual reality experiences, and hear your entertainment come alive all around you. Dolby Atmos. Go inside the story.